Morning students, I am Sonam Jain here. Today I am going to teach you chapter 13, that is our river tales. In this chapter we will discuss about from where river originate and how the river water become dirty. Look at the pictures. Fine. See here. See, due to the human activities the water become dirty and the waste from the factories, see here, the waste from the factories pollute the river water. Fine. Now I will discuss about what is water pollution. Fine. When something bad gets mixed with the clean water, making it dirty and unfit for human use is called water pollution. Fine. See, what are the reason of water pollution? See, effluents from the factories make the water dirty, make the water pollute. Fine. And many people washing their clothes. Fine. Many people washing their animals. Fine. Near the bank of the river, that also make the water dirty. Fine. See, now question round. What is the color of the river where it begins? Water is colorless, but when we see from a distance, it appears blue in color where it begins. Next is, at some places there are many fish in the river, at others there are only few, and at some places there are dead fish. What could be the reason for this? You have to discuss. Yes. See, look at the picture. Fine. You are able to see some fishes are dead. Fine. And the reason of that is, see, fishes need find fresh water. At some places water is polluted, then there are less fishes. Fine. If the water is not polluted, then more fishes are there. Fine. If water is not fresh, fine, not able to drink, then the fish become dead. What can be seen in the river before it reaches the village? Large number of fishes can be seen. At which place did the color of the water in the river change? Why did this happen? See here, look at the picture. Find why the color of the river water change. See why. The color of river changes near the villages and towns. Fine. Why it will be changes? Due to the factories. Fine. Due to the another human activities. Which of the places shown in the picture would you like to live in? Fine. Where the water is not polluted. Fine. I want to live in that place where the water is not polluted. Would you like to change any of things that you see in the picture? Why and how? Fine. The answer is, see, I would like to remove the waste from the banks and the water of the river. Because of these wastes, river water is getting polluted. Have you seen people throwing waste in the river? Yes, I have seen. See, people are throwing the wastes in the river. See, look at the picture. Now, what could be done to keep river clean? Discuss. Fine. What could be done? Fencing should be made on the banks of the river. And one important thing is that strict law should be made against polluting rivers. Fine. You have to make a law. Fine. Those are polluting the rivers. If you wanted to drink some water, from which part of the river would you like to drink? Why? I would like to drink water from where the river originated, because the water is clean and safe there. Fine. See, look at the picture. See the color of the river water. See here. See, I would like to drink from here. In the last part of the picture, the river flows into the sea. Have you ever seen the sea? Where? In a movie or somewhere else. Fine. See here, the sea water here. Fine. See, see the map also. See, look at the pictures. Fine. Have you ever been near a river or sea? When? A river flows through our city, and we also have been near a sea in my Goa, Mumbai, Kerala trip. Show with your hand how the waves in the sea move. wave of the sea moves up and down. Is the water from the sea drinkable? No, it is not drinkable because it is salty. Do you think that there would be changes taking place in a river, pond, stream at different times of the year? What kind of changes would these be? Fine. See, in summer the pond and river water tends to dry up. In rainy season the water level rises up. Fine. In the rainy season water level rises up. Will there be the same amount of water in the ponds or rivers during the rainy season and in summer? No. Water level goes down in summer as the water dries up, and water level goes up in rainy season due to the rain. Now student, you have to survey. Fine. You have to find out from a pond and a river. Fine. You have to find out. Fine. Now, is there a pond or river or lake near your town? Are there any changes in the water during summers? Yes. In summer, water level is minimum, but in rainy season, the water level is maximum. Fine. In winter, water level is medium. Fine. Medium level is there in the winter season. Now, what are the different kinds of animals found there? Many freshwater fish like rohu, katia, small and big fishes are found there. Now, what kind of trees and plants grow around it? Mainly grasses. Fine. What are the kinds of birds there? Eagle, crow, swan, etc. Have you ever seen or read about floods? Floods means bird. Fine. Where? Yes, I have seen about Kerala floods in news. What happens when there is a flood? Fine. Houses, railway stations, cities all get submerged in water when there is a flood. Fine. See, look at the picture. See here. All get submerged in water. Have you seen dirty water in a river or pond? Yes. The water in the pond is muddy and dirty. Fine. How would you know if the water is dirty? If the water looks clean, can you be sure that it is all right to drink that water? Discuss. Fine. There are different types of bacteria that can be found in a pond, including autotrophic and heterotrophic bacteria. Fine. See, that water is not suitable for drinking. See, you have to avoid to drink that water. Fine. Before drinking, you have to filter that water. Fine. You can filter that water either through the boiling or you can use the filter. Fine. Through the filtration methods. See, how does water become dirty? Fine. See, the river flowed through or near many villages and towns. Fine. The people use the river for different uses, for like washing, bathing, cleaning, and these all activities make the water dirty. Fine. These all activity makes the water dirty. From where do you get your drinking water? Fine. See here, so many sources are there. Well, hand pump, pond, river. Fine. See, we get the water from these different sources. Fine. These are the different sources of water. Fine. But we have to clean it. Fine. Before drinking, we have to clean it. Sometimes dirt in the water is there. See, you have to clean it. Fine. We get water in our tap from these rivers. See, water is treated first before it reaches our home. Fine. We have to treat the water. We have to clean it. Fine. Before drinking. Fine. Because if we will not clean it, that water is unfit for us. If we will not clean it. Fine. I hope you all are understand. Fine. Thank you, students. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.